Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Fefe, and today we're gonna make a healthy papaya smoothie. But before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. To get started with our smoothie, we need 5 ingredients, and those are ripe papaya, vanilla, evaporated milk, sugar, and water. And you can use white sugar or brown sugar, whichever you like. First thing first, you want to make sure that you clean your papaya, and when you clean those papaya, make sure you get rid of all the seeds because the seeds can be very bitter, so you don't want to put those in your smoothie. Make sure to peel your papaya, and then you're going to cut them up in bite size or into cubes. Depends on how good your blender is. If you have a high power blender, then you can cut them a little bigger, but if not, you want to probably cut them very small enough to blend. I'm going to go into my evaporated milk, then I'm going to add my papaya and my vanilla, and I'm going to blend. And I'm going to do this until I blend out all my papaya to make my smoothie. Let's talk about some health benefits of papaya. So papaya is rich in vitamin C and A. It's high in fiber and a healthy plant compound. It reduces the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. It also aids in digestion, lower blood pressure. It also improves blood glucose controls in people with diabetes. Those are just few of the things that papaya is good for. So if you're like me and you don't like to eat papaya, just make a smoothie. I'm going to put my smoothie in the fridge to chill. If you want to have your smoothie right away, you can just add some ice to it, but I rather have it chilled. This was a very easy and inexpensive smoothie, but nutritious. I'm using some whipped cream to garnish my smoothie with some blueberries. You can use some cinnamon powder if you have some. That will give it a really nice look and also give it a really nice flavor too. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. And if you ever try my recipe, please to send me a picture so I can post it on my Instagram page.